Hi, good afternoon. This is my vlog as well as my reflection. It points out everything done in the first quarter. It is a video where I can share all the things I've learned and achieved in IS. I hope that it will be well appreciated by the class. Please critique it nicely and have fun watching. The first meeting was a getting to know you session. The next meetings were of course about the lessons in IS. The first lesson was all about the question, what is science? The lesson I found confusing was dimensional analysis because sometimes there are no direct conversions and the computations will get longer. I learned it eventually when Sir Forteza gave more exercises, and I've learned how to use the easier technique, using the conversion factor. There were no changes in the things I know before. Additional knowledge and easier techniques were the things given to me. For example, I've learned that the scientific process is not linear but a dynamic one. This is an example of how science works, a handout given by Sir Forteza. My worst test was the lab skills assessment because I got a low score. I was really nervous and I was cramming because the given time was short and calibrating the triple beam balance consumed half of the time. This is the laboratory skills assessment. On the other hand, my best test is the long test because I got a high score. I prepared very well for that exam. This is the long test questionnaire and this is the answer sheet. I like the interaction in the class. Our course is very lively because Sir Forteza encourages everyone to participate. The discussions are not boring because Sir is a very energetic teacher. The class is able to share their own thoughts. I also like that Sir is giving handouts and activities often for additional knowledge. There is nothing I dislike because I believe that everything in our course is needed for our learning. We can improve our course by more interaction in the class. I recommend a field trip in a science museum. I hope that it will be possible. I hope that the class will be attentive and will lessen the noise so that the flow of the discussion will be smooth. I also hope that Sir Forteza will give handouts often. From the 2-month discussions and meetings in Integrated Science 1, I've learned so many things not just about science, but also in being a critical thinker. I also look forward for the next 3 quarters to be meaningful. Thank you for watching and God bless us all.